Magandang tanghali! A few weeks ago, I had this amazing cake. It's called Cassava Cake.
So what can you say about your cassava tart? Are you gonna say sarap again?
Yeah.
How is the cassava tart is really good, no?
It's like melt in the mouth.
Yeah. It's not too sweet either.
I never had it before, and it was just amazing. And today I try to make it myself. Okay, we need cassava, some evaporated milk, vanilla extract, butter, a bit of water, five eggs.
That's
Sorry.
only 4.
5 eggs. Sugar. Some flour. Cheese. Some grated cheese. And coconut cream. You can see all the measurements later in the description. In the description. So is that okay?
Yeah, that's good. So should I stop?
So you can find all the measurements later in the description. Yeah. So first we need to peel the cassava. Now with my friend Phillips, we're gonna grate the cassava. The grated cassava need to be kneaded. You need to press out all the water. So the next step is the topping. For that we need cheese, eggs, and I need to apologize because I said we need evaporated milk, but actually we need condensed milk and coconut milk and some flour. So we need to beat the eggs first.
So childish.
Doesn't matter. A spoon.
Yeah, a spoon or a rubber spatula.
So I also added the cheese, and it's pretty thick already. Okay, for the cake itself, we mix everything else. First, we need some butter, melted butter. And we need to beat the eggs first. Then we mix the cassava. Sugar. So yeah, and coconut milk. And some water. Butter. So I left a bit of butter just to grease it a bit. So that goes in the oven. Oh, that will stay in for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I actually forgot to add the vanilla extract, but I added to the topping, which we now pour over the cake. So and it goes back in the oven. It goes back in the oven for 20 minutes. So let's see.
Oh, so hot.
So this need to cool down now for a few hours before you can actually eat it. Magandang umaga at Sarah London. Today I try to make it myself. No?
No.
Maybe you need to go outside.